functions and replacement algorithms. A mapping function determines which cache line a main memory block will reside. The mapping functions, the mapping determines how the cache will be organized, whether it will be between the main memory and the processor, or after the main memory and with the main memory between the processor and the cache. There are three techniques used for mapping. We have the direct mapping, associative, and set associative. In direct mapping, one main memory block is assigned to one cache line. The mapping is determined by the least significant bits of the memory address. In direct mapping, the memory address is viewed in three fields: the tag, line, and the word. Direct mapping is efficient for reducing cache conflicts because of its simplicity, but it results in higher miss rates when multiple main memory blocks compete for the same cache line. Associative mapping. Here, one main memory block is assigned to any cache line. The address is viewed in two fields: a tag and a word. To determine whether the main memory block is in cache, every cache line's tag is examined for a match. Set associative mapping. This is a compromise between the direct and associative mapping. It exhibits the strengths of both while reducing its disadvantages. Here the cache is divided into sets, slots, and memory blocks, I think. It has the data is placed in a specific cache slot depending on its address. This type of mapping balances the performance and complexity, providing better hit rates. Then replacement algorithms. Once cache is filled and a new block is brought into this cache, one of the existing blocks must be replaced. How we determine which block is replaced is done by the replacement algorithms. We have three common types of algorithms used: the least recently used LRUs algorithms, where the cache block that has been in cache the longest with no reference is selected and replaced. Then we have the first in, first out, whereby the main memory block that has been in cache the longest is replaced. And we have the least frequently used, where the main memory block with the least references to it is replaced. We also have another technique where the block where we randomly pick a main memory block to use, but this isn't really effective.